Hola a todos! I'm Jaya.
I'm Tyler from Barcelona International.
Today we're going to be taking you around this beautifully renovated 7-bed co-living property in the Gothic quarter. Come and have a look.
Let's go. So this is the first main bedroom. As you can see, it has very high ceilings. You have a lot of space, storage as well, and a desk if you're working or anything like that. So it's perfect for students. You have your own mirror and everything like that. So it comes fully equipped.
Now we have 3 bedrooms that are pretty similar. Come and have a look. These bedrooms are all priced at €750 a month.
Now let's go on to the 3rd bedroom. So essentially the same style. In this room you have your own rack so you can hang your clothes or anything that you need, and also balcony again with the street view.
And now for the 4th bedroom, which again is very similar to the previous 3.
With original Catalan tiles as well.
Next, I'll take you to see 2 of the 3 bathrooms in this property. Comes fully equipped with a shower, toilet, sink and storage. And the second one just here.
Now onto the 5th bedroom, which is €700. As you can see, it's very spacious as well, with lots of natural light from the balcony as well.
Now let's head across to the other side of the building and look at the kitchen. Now we head into the kitchen. Again, plenty of storage. You've got your stove, oven, microwave, and even comes with a coffee machine. As well as this, you've also got a dining table where you can sit and eat with your friends.
Yeah, perfect for hosting if you have anyone around. And then I'll just quickly show you the laundry room, which is quite nice, as you can hide all of your stuff in here outside of your room or anything like that. So there's the washing machine there.
Now we've got the 3rd and final bathroom. And then another light, spacious room priced at €700. What you'll notice about all of these rooms is they all have double beds and come fully furnished.
And now onto our final bedroom, which is €650. Again, as you can see, a nice big desk for you to work, and heating is also included. So everything's functioning and working. Thank you so much for watching this video of the 7-room co-living. I hope you enjoyed.
If you're interested in any of these rooms, please don't hesitate to contact us at info@casamona.com. Bye!
Bye!